Alright, this is the end of this building demolishing. On its place, there will be another building here. Will grow like a mushroom. Right, here now is the vehicle trying to bite the roof of this building. It is biting apart. Maybe it is trying to push it. Can it push it? If it pushes it, it will fall down, and we need to keep this down. Hehehe. Alright. Okay, it is becoming very dusty here. He failed to bite the roof. Maybe there. We will try part by part. Wow, this building looked very solid actually. They could use it, yet it is old building style. It's moving, the upper part is moving, but it can't fall. It can't. Nope. The robot will bite more parts. Okay. Alright, this is a very slow work, looks like. But it should be. These people, they should be careful. Alright, this is for